Hello and welcome to our video on the Internet of Things, IoT. IoT refers to the interconnectedness of everyday devices, such as appliances, vehicles, and industrial equipment, through the Internet. These devices have embedded sensors, processors, and communication capabilities, allowing them to collect, share, and act on data. The concept of IoT has been around for decades, but it has become more prevalent in recent years with the development of low-cost sensors, wireless communication technologies, and cloud computing. In this video, we will be discussing the various aspects of IoT, including connectivity, sensors, data collection, automation, smart devices, machine learning, cloud computing, security, interoperability, and business applications. First, let's talk about connectivity. IoT devices are connected to the Internet, allowing for data exchange and communication with other devices. This connectivity enables the devices to be controlled and monitored remotely, improving efficiency and convenience. Next, sensors are an important component of IoT devices. These sensors collect data on the environment and device usage, which can be used to improve performance and optimize usage. For example, an IoT-enabled air conditioning unit may have sensors that collect data on temperature, humidity, and occupancy, which can be used to adjust the unit's settings for maximum comfort and energy efficiency. Data collection is another key aspect of IoT. IoT devices gather and store data, which can be analyzed to improve efficiency and performance. This data can also be used to train machine learning models, allowing for more accurate predictions and automation. Automation is another benefit of IoT technology. IoT devices can automate tasks and processes, such as controlling home appliances or monitoring industrial equipment. For example, an IoT-enabled washing machine may be able to automatically order detergent when it runs low, or an industrial IoT system may be able to detect and fix equipment issues before they cause downtime. Smart devices are becoming increasingly popular with the rise of IoT. These devices, such as smartphones, smart home devices, and wearables, are able to connect to the Internet and communicate with other devices. This allows for a wide range of possibilities, from remotely controlling your home appliances to tracking your fitness goals. Machine learning is also becoming an important aspect of IoT. IoT data can be used to train machine learning models, allowing for more accurate predictions and automation. For example, an IoT-enabled security camera may be able to use machine learning to detect unusual activity and send alerts to the homeowner. Cloud computing is also a key aspect of IoT. IoT data is often stored and processed in the cloud, allowing for easy access and scalability. This makes it possible to analyze large amounts of data in real time, and to make decisions based on that data. Security is a major concern with IoT devices and networks. It is important to ensure that these devices and networks are secure to protect against hacking and unauthorized access to data. This includes using strong passwords and encryption, as well as regular security updates. Interoperability is also an important aspect of IoT. IoT devices and systems must be able to communicate and work together seamlessly in order to achieve the full potential of the technology. This includes ensuring that devices are compatible with each other, as well as with existing systems and networks. Finally, IoT technology is being used in a wide range of industries, such as manufacturing, healthcare, and transportation, to improve efficiency and reduce costs. For example, IoT-enabled manufacturing systems can optimize production processes and reduce downtime, while IoT-enabled healthcare systems can improve patient care and reduce costs. Overall, IoT has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve our daily lives, but it is important to consider the security and privacy implications, and to ensure that devices and systems are properly secured and protected. As the number of connected devices continues to grow, it will be crucial to ensure that all devices and systems are able to work together seamlessly, and that data is being used responsibly. In conclusion, IoT is a rapidly growing technology that has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve our daily lives. It encompasses a wide range of applications and technologies, including connectivity, sensors, data collection, automation, smart devices, machine learning, cloud computing, security, interoperability, and business applications. As the technology continues to evolve, it will be important to stay informed about the latest developments and to consider the security and privacy implications of IoT. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.